So this is my full-size keyboard. It's not bad, but I need to upgrade fast. I just started playing on keyboard and mouse and I didn't think a keyboard would affect anything, but let me tell you, it does. But the problem is, I'm broke. But at the end, I decided to make the hard choice for you guys.
6 months later.
I think it's here. And there it is. Let's take it inside. The front looks pretty cool, but let's take a look at the back. And for the fun part, let's open it. Let's go. Wow, this keyboard is loud. Let's take it out of this wrapping paper real quick. And look at that. This is our new keyboard, guys. Let's set this down real quick and see what's inside this box. Inside here we have the cord to plug the keyboard into the PC, but it's not long, so that could be a problem if your PC is far away. Next thing in the box is a keycap remover and a red key, and you use it exactly like this.
Bruh.
And just like that, you're done. And that was everything in the box besides the manual. This is how the keyboard looks completed. The quality of the keyboard feels very good. The back is very hard and solid and it doesn't feel fake. And also they have these things to stand up your keyboard. Sound test real quick. We can't forget the lights. There's many more light customizations that you guys have to check out yourself. Now it's time for in-game footage. And for the last part, the typing test.
Go. Got him! Got him!